मेरा दिल कहीं दूर पहाड़ों में खो गया, मेरा दिल कहीं दूर पहाड़ों में खो गया। उससे मिले हुए मुझको तो अरसा हो गया।
Today the 5th of June is World Environment Day, so happy World Environment Day to one and all. Personally, I think if we have to contribute to the environment is by simply not polluting it, by reduce the use of plastic, don't waste water as much as possible, and also don't waste electricity. When we visit places, let us keep it clean, let us try to respect as much as possible, and also sensitize our friends not to pollute the environment, to respect it as much as possible. There are so many other ways to ensure that our Mother Earth is clean and healthy, and also to ensure that we get the clean air by also planting trees. But when you plant trees, ensure that trees will survive, because sometimes it happens when we plant trees after the World Environment Day comes the garbage. So I think we should ensure that trees, when we plant on the 5th of June, the World Environment Day, it also grows along the way, so that tree will become a blessing not only to you but as well as to the surrounding around you. As much as possible, we should treat the environment as we treat ourselves, so that this Mother Earth could be a better place when we do that. So I would like to share my last trekking that I went with my friends. It's in Nongkte in West Khasi Hills. I think it was one of the most exhausted and adventurous trek that I had so far, because first of all we lost the way. Secondly, it was about to rain but it stopped midway, and when we reached the place also, unfortunately the water was dirty because a few days back it was raining heavily. So I would say maybe it is a blessing in disguise, or it's our unlucky day, but I would say that's how spontaneous plans happens.
मेरा दिल कहीं दूर पहाड़ों में खो गया, मेरा दिल कहीं दूर पहाड़ों में खो गया। उससे मिले हुए मुझको तो अरसा हो गया। मेरा दिल कहीं दूर पहाड़ों में खो गया, मेरा दिल कहीं दूर पहाड़ों में खो गया। उससे मिले हुए मुझको तो अरसा हो गया। अरे कोई तो जाओ उसको बुलाओ, अरे कोई तो जाओ उसको बुलाओ, न माने तो उसको डांट भी लगाओ। मेरा दिल कहीं दूर पहाड़ों में खो गया, मेरा दिल कहीं दूर पहाड़ों में खो गया। उससे मिले हुए मुझको तो अरसा हो गया। मुझको भी रोज बुलाता है। सपनों में मेरे वो रोज आता और जाता है। संग वो अपने मुझको भी रोज बुलाता है। अब कैसे बताऊं इन शहरों का हो गया। भीड़ भाड़ में कहीं खो गया।